Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Val Easy Guide. Start by gathering ingredients and tools, then wash and chop fresh produce. Measure spices and liquids carefully to balance flavors. Heat your pan gradually and add oil at the right temperature. Stir gently and taste along the way to adjust seasoning. Keep portions manageable and store leftovers in airtight containers for best freshness and flavor. Follow these cooking steps closely and trust your senses while making Desi Val. Begin by heating oil, then add onions and garlic until golden and fragrant. Stir in your spice mix and let it bloom for a minute to release aroma. Add tomatoes, vegetables, or proteins and simmer until tender and well combined. Adjust salt and acid at the end to brighten the dish, then plate warm for the best experience. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like for more cooking tips and quick guides. Quick recommendation: keep a handy bottle nearby while you cook, like the Owala water bottle seen here, to stay hydrated between steps. It's practical and a fun kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Serve Desi Val with simple sides and a squeeze of fresh lemon if desired for brightness. Cool any leftovers promptly and transfer to containers before refrigerating to keep quality. Reheat on low heat and add a teaspoon or two of water if the mixture seems dry. Taste and adjust seasoning after reheating to restore balance. Store up to 3 days for best flavor and freeze portions for longer keeping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.